Hello everybody, it's Sarah here and I'm going to go to Asian market because I'm craving Japanese curry so much. Recently I've been watching this anime called Atashin'chi, and in one of the episodes the father of the family cooks curry for the family and he uses some specific ingredients. I don't think I'm going to use all of them, but he also used saffron. I have a lot of saffron in the house and I don't know what to do with them, so I'm going to use that. Please ignore my... I'm trying to not show my earring because it's such a mess. But yeah, I'm going to Asian market to buy some stuff. Also, I have to go to grocery to buy some vegetables. Maybe I also buy some snacks. So let's go and make the food ready because I am hungry. I haven't had breakfast. If you think what I have done with my hand, I burned it in the oven. Let's go. Everything that we needed is acquired and I'm gonna show you what I have bought. I mean the regular stuff, which is the vegetables now, but like what I have bought from the Asian market. The first thing is actually I'm doing a kind of diet. I needed some low calorie snacks. They are so good and low calorie. You can use them as chips. I'm editing my video. I'm eating and snacking on this. It is the shin ramen and edamame because it's again a healthy snack. Oh my god, I love this. When I was in Japan, I used to buy the cheese ones. I had never had the matcha ones, but I really wanted to try it. I'm hungry and I don't want to snack on something before eating, but just a bite doesn't hurt, does it? So this is so thin biscuit which has matcha cream inside. I can break it like this. It's so good. Oh, it is the fortune telling that they gave me. Let's see whether it is my fortune. Ooh. Stand by your feelings. Ooh, that's kinda showing my current situation. Okay, I will stand by my feelings. And I needed coconut water. I think the best coconut water that you can find is from any kind of Asian market. I bought tofu because tofu. Some purple potatoes because I like them. Spezi and golden curry. Yeah, I've heard that if you use 2 kinds of golden curry, that makes your curry better. So I have about the spicy one, which I'm just going to go with this, but I maybe put 2 cubes of this one as well. But to be honest, there was a price difference, but they are the same to me. It's longer. I don't know. Oh my god, see what I have found. These are my favorite mushrooms in the world. They had the normal one and the strawberry one. I never had the strawberry ones. I think these are so famous in Japan. Just see, that was so cute. And the last one, another ramen from this new Korean. It's not new, but still like a new side. The Demon Hunters. I haven't watched it yet, but I may watch it. Now cooking. Well, for this curry, before starting, I have to tell you that I'm just using minced beef and pork together. But as I told you, I'm going to make the Atashin'chi the episode that the father makes curry for the family. But he uses oxtail. At first it's difficult. I mean, like the beef tail part, which is like bony, and it takes a lot of time for it to cook. It's difficult to find it, and also I don't have that much time because I'm hungry. So I use the minced beef, and the trick in this curry, which he didn't use it in the movie, but so many Japanese use it, and I learned it from my friend, is you don't need to use water, but a lot of tomatoes. So what you do is you bring a pot. It can be big, because every time I cook curry, I cook a lot and I eat it for a week. I think this time I have to eat for 2 weeks. And I think they put it also like this, like just tomatoes in the pot. I don't know if I have to cut it or not. I think if you cut it, that would be better. I think, yeah, I cut it, because in the end you need it to be kind of mixed together. So I put all of the tomatoes. By the way, the amount of tomatoes that I'm putting is around 1 kilos or something. So I just cut the tomatoes and put it in the bottom of the pot. The thing about curry is that you can put anything you want in it. Sometimes I make it with tofu, sometimes with chicken. I'm not sure if you can make it with seafood or not. You don't need any other spices because you're using curry. At first I thought that it's better to use salt, but basically you don't need to. I'm making a lot of curry, a lot. There were 3 ingredients that he used in this curry, which were special. I'm not going to use the cow tail, but I'm going to use saffron for the rice, and also coffee. Coffee was his secret ingredient, and in the anime when he wanted to use it, the wife, which is the main character actually, she got so shocked. Yeah, but it seems that it makes it good. And then I put the carrots. I do it like this. So the carrots go inside, and the mushrooms. My favorite part is the mushrooms. And the potatoes. I think it's a lot of potatoes, but my potatoes are small, so I just put the small ones. And I have 2 paprikas, which I cut before. I think 2 of them. I think 1 is enough also. And I forgot the eggplant. I have to bring the eggplant as well. I was almost forgetting the main ingredients, which I love. Onion. The good thing about curry is that you can use whatever you want. You can make a mix of everything, which is so healthy. I think this pot, there is nothing unhealthy in it. Maybe just the curry stock a little bit unhealthy. But yeah, I think half of the eggplant and onion. Oh my god, you don't know how much onion I use in my life. It's been a while that I'm learning Japanese, and to be honest, this anime, Atashin'chi, is so good. Like, I'm not sure if it's the everyday words and vocabulary that Japanese people use themselves, but at least I think it's better than normal animes, like the famous ones, because it's more like a daily life thingy. Sometimes they also talk about the culture. Like what I learned from this anime was how you should like properly for eating with etiquette, how you should grab the chopstick or stuff. But yeah, the onions and meat. The curry, I put this golden curry, which is hot. As I told you, I like it a little spicy. I mean, it's more than a little spicy. I put 4 of this one, 2, before. Okay. That was the reason. I was like, why they are different? So it's the ready-made golden curry. I thought it's... I like it hot, but that's what I've heard, that if you put two kinds of curry, that would be better. So I think I just use this one, which is open. I think I use 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the secret ingredient is coffee. Actually, it was like instant coffee, but I don't have instant coffee, so I just use this coffee, which I use for my mocha pot. Oh my god, that's so good. So after making everything ready, your pot goes on the stove, and it takes a little bit of time for all of the tomatoes to be cooked and the water get evaporated. For me, it took like 1 hour and a half, but in general, if you want it faster, you can cut the tomatoes smaller. Just be careful that you have to check on your pot every now and then so it doesn't get burned on the bottom. Oh my god, I love the smell of saffron. There are two things that I love so much: matcha and saffron. Right, some saffron. I think it must be enough. And now here you have two options. Either you can use boiling water, a little bit pouring it on here, and then cover it with something and give it time, or using ice. I use ice now. So it is the saffron. And then I put the saffron in the rice and mix the rice with saffron well, so it gives me a really nice yellow color, and I can serve it with my food. That is so good. Like, I hope that you were here and you could try it. The smell of the curry, wow. So guys, sorry, I don't know, somehow my tasting didn't work. I mean, I wasn't filming, but I want to try it now. Everybody has to try it. Has to try curry like this. That's so good. With respect to the Atashin'chi anime and the father of Tachibana family, if I'm not mistaken, I finished this video. Bye bye.